Tyler here, affordableactions.com with my helpers. Uh, Feeling charged up because she's eating a battery. But what we're using here is this homemax sealing texture. If you look online, you can find it at your hardware store. It gets horrible reviews. I don't know why they make this product, to be honest with you. I'm just going to show you how we use it to try and do the match the best we can. We've attempted a couple issues so far. Like we said, there's just a crack that comes into the drywall. Um, I always suggest just caulking it and try to touch up paint, but you rarely can touch up a ceiling and it not flash or you notice that the issue's there. But the easiest, cheapest, best way to do it is caulk it, maybe touch it up with paint, white caulk to seal the crack. In this case, the client really wanted us to seal the crack, but also scrape, because somebody had attempted to do this before and it looked really bad. So we scraped the drywall off of there. So now we want to match the popcorn. So we'll see what we can do and show you the product and end result. Like I said, it's never works out well in prior attempts. So as you can see there, the crack was there. Somebody had went in and tried to fill it before. So what we came back and did is actually caulked it and then put some mud up there and tried to do, a popcorn just match to really seal it up. Obviously, it kind of looks like this one here. That was another crack where you can see the drywall mud, and then tried to put that popcorn texture mud up there, and it just doesn't work well. Now this one, you can barely, really see it. We'll clean this up, but we'll touch it with white, and you can barely see that one. So the crack is sealed, and then, you've got the texture match there. But for this video in this section, we're gonna do the spray texture that I showed you there earlier. Now we're all dry and white behind it. So all dry and white. Actually, that can works really good, so I'm pretty happy with it. I think the client will be much happier too. And now I have a earned respect for that homemax popcorn texture product. So hope this helps. So in conclusion, we got it sprayed out, looks good. Waiting for it all to dry white. That'll take some time, pretty much usually 24 hours, a few hours at least, but homemax, the spray texture works the best. You want to shake it pretty vigorously for a minute upside down. Put the little straw that they give you in there very easily. Be careful with the nozzle. If you're careful with the nozzle, it's shaking good. You hear the ball rattling, you're ready to go. Prep your area because it is a mess. That stuff shoots everywhere, which it is water soluble, so you can clean it off with water, off your floor and walls if you need to. Put a drop down cardboard paper like you saw there, and it's ready to go. When you spray it, make sure you're about 20 inches away. Don't be afraid to give it that pressure and spray back and forth in your section. Works really good. If you go in one spot or too close, it's going to clump up on you and be too heavy. That's why you want to be far away and spraying, just a click to get your idea, and then a click, click, and then you'll get a nice rhythm to it, and it looks good. So yeah, feel pretty good about it. Affordable Actions LLC, affordableaction.com, here to help.